Hello and welcome back. And in this video we're going to be talking about another dynamic type size modifier that was introduced in SwiftUI 3 and iOS 15. Now this modifier is to give you more control over dynamic type text, and let's go ahead and take a look at an example to understand it better. So the modifier itself is called dynamic type size, and it gives you an option to basically provide a range that your text can support for dynamic size. So you can say that for example, my text is only gonna support small range to extra large range. Okay, so with this change, notice the behavior when we actually override the dynamic text. So we're gonna take it to extra small, right? We're gonna turn it into small, no change. So once again, between extra small and small, no change, because the minimum that we support is small. Now as we grow medium, text is gonna grow. We go large, it's gonna grow. Extra large is gonna grow, but after that it's not gonna grow. It has stopped making any changes beyond the allowed limit. So that's the range parameter. That's the range that it provides, that we say these are the dynamic types that our text view is gonna support. So basically limiting the text view to only scale within the given range that we have added. Okay, so this would actually let you control the look and feel of your app, and also support dynamic types if needed. So this was another introduction into iOS 15 and SwiftUI 3, and it's in my opinion, it's quite useful. All right, so that was it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.